follows me will not walk in darkness, but will have the light of life.
around you. Thank you.
Do you know what are colors? Colors are the vibration of lights. The world is a rainbow with so many colors. It makes our life interesting and fun. We like to rub things of different color. It is said pink color is for girls and blue color is for boys. But we love so many colors. Do you want to know which are they?
Do you know which color I am wearing today? Yes, it's pink. Lotus and my brother's colors are also pink. I love pink color. Good morning, everyone. My name is Muhammad Sayyid Ali. Orange color is my favorite color. Orange secondary color. Papaya, carrot, and orange color. The school, chair, table, and orange color. Thank you. Brown is the color of sand. I love to play with my sand toys. Trunk coloring also brown. Thank you. My favorite color is purple. Linda and purple in color. Yellow is the color of joy and happiness. It is the color of sun which lights up to all. Capsicum, mango, and my school bus. So colors. Thank you. White, teeth are white. Last time picture our teeth are white. Each color of flowers. Was a man favorite color, so white. Thank you. Hello, friend. Do you know which color belly? It is red. And the apple at the box says strawberry. I red color. I love red color. Green is the color of good health. My mother told me to eat green vegetable. First, my favorite green. Good morning, everyone. My favorite color is blue color. Skate color is blue color. The uniform is blue color. Bag is blue color. Thank you. So many colors, so much of fun.
One, two, three, let's go! So many colors way up high. So many colors touch the sky. So many colors you will see in the rainbow here. Now sing with me. Come on, red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple, too. Red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple, too. You're a rainbow cheer. Jump up and down and move your body round and round. You're a rainbow cheer. Jump up and down and move your body round and round. So many colors, joy and fun. So many colors have been fun. So many colors you will see in a rainbow here. Now sing with me. Come on now, red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple, too. Red, green, yellow, blue. Orange, pink, purple, too. Little rainbow cheer. Jump up and down and move your body round and round. Little rainbow cheer. Jump up and down and move your body round and round.
Now is the time to snap some colors. So we have lots of colorful crayons kept on the table. So it's a humble request to our dear sisters, Seema ma'am, please color the picture with your favorite color.